Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for taking the time to join us. And also a warm welcome to all those joining us via webcast. The automotive industry is changing faster than at any time in its history, with a convergence of trends and developments shaping the face of the sector beyond all recognition. Environmental issues, such as climate change, are driving demand for cleaner mobility as we advance further towards a carbon-free society. As a result, we're starting to see the increasingly rapid electrification of the automotive sector. Technology continues to develop at a startling pace, with the emergence of autonomous and artificial intelligence technologies, amongst others. And the relationship between customers and their cars is changing. Customers are now seeking increased connectivity between their car and their everyday electronic devices. We are also seeing the emergence of customers treating mobility as a service that they access rather than a product that they own. Now, this shift is happening at an unrelenting pace, further magnified here in Europe by a regulatory agenda which is accelerating the move to low and zero-emission technologies faster than anywhere else in the world. Now, this is presenting an unprecedented challenge to the automotive industry. How do we respond? Which technologies should we develop, and how and when should they be introduced? Today, we're here to highlight Honda's response to these pressures by providing both an update on progress and some new detail on how the company intends to face the challenges and opportunities of electrification in the European market. In order to do that, I'm delighted that we are joined by a range of senior spokespeople from Honda's European and global business. To start proceedings, I'd like to invite to the stage Mr. Katsushi Inoue, President and COO of Honda Motor Europe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. In 2016, Honda outlined its future direction for the business with the 2030 vision. This vision highlighted Honda's commitment to create new value for future customers. The three key areas are mobility, robotics, and energy solutions. This vision also saw Honda make a strong commitment to electrification. 2/3 of Honda's global automobile sales would feature some form of electrified technology in 2030, with a clear focus on hybrid, plug-in hybrid, battery electric, and fuel cell technologies. In order to achieve these objectives, we continue to take a number of actions to transform and evolve our existing businesses. Firstly, we have delivered structural changes in our research and development organization. The aim is to accelerate the speed of advanced technology development and improve efficiency. In addition, we expand the range of products and technologies that Honda develops, and we have become more proactive in engaging with external partners. Honda has been establishing a series of strategic collaborations with innovative partners. For example, with SoftBank, a leading technology firm to explore 5G for connected car and AI technologies. With Hitachi, in a joint venture to develop and manufacture electric motors. And with GM and Cruise in the area of autonomous vehicles. And finally, Honda has formed its own global open innovation program to support selected startups. Honda Accelerator for the development of new and emerging technologies. And now turning to Europe, we see an even faster pace of change in regulation and customer behavior. Honda placed its European business firmly at the forefront of the company's global ambitions towards electrification. This was confirmed with the commitment that all of Honda's European sales will feature electrified technology by 2025. However, as the pace of change continues to accelerate, we have realized that we need to, and we are ready to act even sooner to meet these challenges head-on. Now we have a much clearer understanding of the regulatory requirements of the European CO2 standard. And we have confidence in Honda's proven electric and hybrid powertrain technology. And we can benefit from Honda's global R&D resources. As such, I can confirm that all of Honda's mainstream models in Europe will be electrified not by 2025, but 3 years earlier, by the end of 2022, in just 3 years' time. I will now hand over to Tom Gardner to tell you more about our detailed plans for electrification in Europe. Thank you.
Good afternoon. The journey towards Honda's electric vision for Europe started to take shape with the introduction of the all-new CR-V. Using Honda's innovative two-motor iMMD technology, CR-V Hybrid represented Honda's first new-generation electrified product to hit the market when it arrived in dealerships late last year. Today, more than 60% of CR-V sales in Europe are hybrid, and this powertrain will become a core pillar of Honda's future product range for the region. We have also progressed our ambitions with battery electric vehicles. The urban EV concept, first unveiled at the Frankfurt Motor Show in 2017, highlighted Honda's image of a fully electric urban commuter. Such was the positive reaction to this model, we committed to the launch of a production version of the urban EV before the end of the decade. Fast forward a few months to the Frankfurt Motor Show in September of this year, and to great anticipation, the Honda E was unveiled in a world premiere. Honda's first electric vehicle, designed and developed specifically for the European market. A car developed for the urban environment with outstanding dynamic performance, with new levels of connectivity, delivering smart, personalized features and services to the driver, and the integration of innovative charging solutions and services. A unique electric vehicle that only Honda could develop. Nothing embodies Honda's ambition in the area of electrification more than this model, a great flag bearer for change. We've had unprecedented interest in the Honda E over the last few months, with over 45,000 expressions of interest. Order books are open and customer deliveries are commencing in summer 2020. So what are our next steps? As NEUE-san announced earlier, all of Honda's mainstream models here in Europe will be electrified by the end of 2022, in just 3 years' time. But how will we get there? Well, I can also confirm today that we will introduce 6 electrified models to our European range in the next 36 months. The first new models to launch will be in 2020 with the full electric Honda E and the all-new Jazz with hybrid technology. Key models for achieving our low-emission goals. Then, through 2021 and 2022, 4 new further models will be introduced to get us to our target, including a stylish SUV and an additional battery electric model. As you can see, this shift to electrification will change the face of our model lineup considerably. Today, we're going to show you the second of those 6 new launches, the all-new Honda Jazz, which was first unveiled just under 12 hours ago at the Tokyo Motor Show. Let's take a look. So, the all-new Jazz featuring advanced hybrid powertrain technology for standard as the first time. First introduced as the Fit in Japan in 2001, Honda set out to create a vehicle which would set a new industry benchmark for compact cars. And as a result of its reputation for outstanding packaging, fuel economy, driving performance and design, this model has achieved worldwide sales of more than 7.5 million units. The fourth generation Jazz features Honda's advanced two-motor hybrid powertrain, bringing the efficiency and performance of hybrid technology to the compact segment, with an exceptional blend of strong and effortless driving performance and impressive fuel economy. In a new development, the hybrid powertrain, first seen in the CR-V hybrid, has been miniaturized for the Jazz model, giving a smooth, responsive, direct feel and an EV-like drive. Driving dynamics and ride comfort have been refined and revitalized by increasing the ratio of high tensile steel for improved rigidity. So it will be a great car to drive. It's a Honda after all. We see an all-new minimalist exterior design, a seamless, clean philosophy which will define future Honda models, following the key concepts of function and beauty first seen in the Honda E. The A-pillar is half the width of that on the previous model, improving forward horizontal visibility. The design is enabled by greatly improved torsional rigidity and new structural technologies that move impact stress towards the front quarter like pillars. Natural, crisp lines run horizontally along the side of the car with a fresh simplicity of form. The sharper, more vertical shoulder lines emphasize the rear fender and wheel arches, giving the car a broad stance and sense of stability. The rear design of the car echoes the clean lines at the front, with a sleek, new horizontal light cluster layout and discrete roof spoiler. Inside, the step up in quality is obvious, with contemporary, high-quality materials used throughout and an uncluttered, intuitive dashboard. You will experience levels of comfort and spaciousness that are unrivaled in the compact sector and are benchmarked against larger models in several key areas. New, wider, body-stabilizing front seats feature matte structure support to help prevent fatigue on long journeys, while improved rear seat design and a thicker seat pad provides greater comfort for passengers. New, advanced connectivity with intuitive infotainment technology offering seamless in-car connectivity and a Wi-Fi hotspot to ensure occupants can stay connected while on the move. The new LCD touchscreen interface features familiar smartphone-style usability. The customer can use swipe controls to browse recently used applications and media lists, and a comprehensive suite of inbuilt apps can be supplemented by seamless smartphone mirroring via Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, which is available in the Jazz via a wireless connection for the first time. Now, you might have also noticed this slightly different looking model over here. I'm delighted to introduce for the first time the new Crossstar, for customers looking for a more crossover style look. Available with the same hybrid powertrain and interior features as the standard NEUE Jazz, Crossstar offers increased ride height, a distinctive interior upholstery, and unique front grille design and integrated roof rails. The all-new Jazz, a new design, great interior quality, new technology, Honda's advanced hybrid powertrain at its heart, and a new crossover variant available for the first time. We can also share today a new approach to Honda's global branding, with every next-generation electrified product or energy management innovation coming under the collective name of Honda e-technology. This new naming signifies Honda's renewed focus on electrification and our ambition of seamlessly connecting energy, mobility, and people's daily lives. As such, Jazz will be badged with the EHEV, standing for Hybrid Electric Vehicle. This e-technology branding will also extend to Honda's motorcycle and power product ranges as they become electrified, to unify all of Honda's electrified products under one pan-brand identity. Jazz will be available for European markets in mid-2020. This car has a vital part to play in our drive towards electrification by 2022. I would now like to welcome to the stage Jürgen Plum, who will share more details on plans for Honda's emerging energy management business here in Europe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. As part of the shift towards electrification, we realize the importance of energy management and charging solutions for EV customers. Earlier this year, we stated our intention to broaden the scope of Honda's business activities with a portfolio of charging and energy management solutions for the European market. We seek to address 4 key issues facing EV customers: access to charging facilities, the availability of those charging facilities when the customer needs them, the ability of the customer to buy their energy at the most cost-effective price, and that this energy makes optimum use of renewable sources. Before I share new developments in this area, let me recap on our progress to date. We have begun to take on these challenges through collaboration with 3 partners. UB-Twisty, a leader in the development of mobile metering and urban charging infrastructure. Moixa, a company focused on developing energy aggregation software. And EVTech, our partner in the development of advanced bidirectional charging systems. These key alliances have allowed us to show a range of 3 different charging solutions, which will all be able to benefit from our new services. Firstly, for customers who can charge their EV at home and off-street, Honda can offer the Power Charger. Among many advanced features, the unit has a smart timer functionality, allowing customers to benefit from cheaper energy costs at time of low demand. With a 32-amp power supply, Power Charger will charge a Honda E to 100% capacity in just over 4 hours, significantly quicker than a standard domestic wall socket. Secondly, to offer a solution to EV drivers in city environments where there might be a lack of charging infrastructure, our partner UB-Twisty has developed a network of charging points in cities across the UK and Germany. UB-Twisty also offers the unique smart cable mobile metering technology, allowing EV users to charge on street, but the energy costs will be charged back to their central tariff. This brings both cost benefits and ultimate convenience by removing the need for customers to subscribe to several energy suppliers. Ubitricity's charging network is growing rapidly throughout UK and Germany, with 1,500 in London alone. Looking to the future, we are developing Honda Power Manager, a bidirectional vehicle-to-grid system which allows electricity to be stored in EV batteries at times of high supply and then flow back to the grid at times of high demand. This technology has a range of benefits, including maximizing the use of renewable sources and presenting revenue opportunities for EV owners in the future. This type of technology is regarded as a very important solution to create a sustainable future energy supply, enabling the collection and distribution of electricity between car and grid and homes and businesses to intelligently balance demand and efficient storage of energy. We now move on to the next step. In September, we announced plans to launch our first commercial energy management service during 2020. And I'm very pleased to be able to confirm for the first time details of this service. Today, we have signed a letter of intent with Vattenfall, a leading European energy supplier, to introduce the world's first flexible energy contracts specifically tailored to electric vehicle owners in Europe. The letter sets out both companies' intention to jointly develop and market contracts which allow EVs to be charged at the most cost-effective times relative to grid demand and to optimize the use of electricity from renewable sources, including hydropower and wind farms. These new contracts will become available to owners of any brand of compatible electric vehicle, marking a significant step forward for Honda's European energy management business. This new proposition will bring benefits to customers, to the grid, and to Honda. For customers, more affordable electricity to power their EV, safe in the knowledge that they are maximizing the amount of renewable energy in every charge. For the grid, the ability to effectively stabilize demand and to optimize the use of renewables. And for Honda, added value to our EV customers and contributing to our CO2 reduction targets as part of the 2030 vision. These contracts will be introduced initially to the UK and Germany in 2020, in line with the launch of the honda.e, with further European countries to follow. Our energy management solutions and services provide clear value to customers and to the Honda business. And through our collaborations with Vattenfall, Ubitricity, NÄCHSTE and EVTech, we have the most complete offer available in the market today. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for your time today. To bring what we've covered together in a simple summary, the automotive world is changing. Honda is working hard to meet these challenges and opportunities head on, and we are making fundamental change to our business to achieve this. Electrification is well underway, and as a result, we will bring to market 6 electrified vehicles in the next 3 years, including a stylish SUV and a further BEV product. To reach our ambition, as all mainstream models will be electrified by 2022. We will introduce new pan-global branding to demonstrate our commitment to electrification across the business. And significant progress on our emerging energy management business with a world-first commercial service coming in 2020. Ladies and gentlemen, Thank you very much.